Working away from a power source doesn't need to be as problematic when you have capable welder generators at your disposal. And it doesn't matter whether you're looking to replace a generator that's coming out of age or purchasing a new one. We've done an excellent job of making sure that these machines that will be hitting your screens next are some of the best on the market. When you find the welder generator of your choice, click the link in the description for more details about the product. For more videos reviewing heavy-duty tools like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tools Informer. DUROMAX DS4000 WGE. The DUROMAX DS4000 WGE is capable of monstrous capacity. It can easily handle almost any compatible site you would like to load it with, given its 420cc OHV engine. So it can do welding work with ease and supply quality power for welder tools at construction sites, farms, and ranches from maintenance. But not everyone looks forward to using this generator for welding jobs. The generator is also suitable for domestic use and has a reputation for lasting a long time. More precisely, the generator can last about 17 hours on 5 gallons of fuel. Meanwhile, how would you like a generator that prevents itself from self-destruction? This generator has a feature called the low oil shutoff that prevents the machine from working when the oil is too low, allowing it to function at its best. Generators are contributors to the greenhouse effect causing climate change, but precautions are put in place to ensure that this generator isn't excessively harmful to the environment. It complies with emission standards and EPA approve it. It doesn't matter what you plug this generator into. Power strips with some pumps and refrigerators, it's going to run. So far, it's within its rated capacity. Champion Elite 225 Welder Generator. Its appearance alone is evidence that this beast was made for construction work. It features a fully covered body that protects the internal parts of the generator from dirt and impurities. While that is important, we're going to get into what makes this welder generator thick. The Champion Elite 225 Welder Generator features a 225 amp welder and 11,000 watts of power, which is impressive. Yet time is of the essence when you've got massive projects to finish up, and this welder generator is capable of the pressure while you're at it. First, it's super easy to start up, and the engine has an efficient fuel-saving feature that reduces noise. Like the DUROMAX DS4000 WGE, this generator will shut down when oil pressure is too low. You'll be happy to know that the recommended noise level for a human hearing is about 80 decibels, and this welder generator has an impressive 75.7 decibel rating. Although this welder generator is somewhat versatile regarding the equipment, you can use it on a spool gun that might not work with the unit. Hence, it's best to stick with the designated purpose of welding. TOMAHAWK generator and welder. Although this generator looks slightly more intimidating than the other two we've mentioned, we can assure you it will budge when you attempt to move it. Its 8 inches never go flat tire makes sure it is a mobile one that's around construction sites, farms, or wherever the machine seems to have the best serve its purpose. The 15 HP engine at 3000 W of power make it a good generator for a welder and a great backup in case the power goes out. But sometimes you need to control your generator's function and output, which is why the welder generator features dials and meters. The digital meters are easy to read, and the dials make sure you can effect precise adjustments. There are two 120V outlets on this generator, so when work needs to be sped up, a TOMAHAWK generator and welder can come in handy. Another thing that makes this a good choice for a welder generator is that its spare parts are available nationwide. If there's any chance for replacement, giving you the creeps wouldn't be a gigantic problem. And as if to prove its dedication to your welding, the package comes with a stick and a TIG welder, and you can weld 1/3, 1/4, or 3/8 of the inch. Lincoln Welder Generators. The Lincoln Welder Generator gives you a reason not to worry if you're away from the power source. The power generated by this machine is adequate to get your welding jobs done like you usually would with a regular power supply. Also, you can use several tools with the generator for stick, TIG, MIG, flux cord, and gogging. For this, the generator has a maximum output of 300A for stick and TIG welding and a minimum output of 10A. Due to its small size, this generator makes room for other tools and accessories you might want to use on site. Besides a contemporary digital interface, this generator also features performance-enhancing technologies. These include the quick setup with Ready, Set, Arc FX TM technology, Crosslink TM technology, and the Chopper technology are all trademarks of Welder. The Lincoln Ranger is 60% quieter than other generators in its class. This would make your work experience more enjoyable, and despite its high power capacity, the generator comes with its downsides. You can only use gasoline on it. For its size, this generator is powerful at 330A and 28V. With this power, you can weld 104 inches 7018 electrodes, use the Magnum Pro 250LX GT direct connect spool gun, and use arc gouging with a 316-inch carbon electrodes. The generator features an electric start for maximum comfort and easy starting. Miller Welder Generator. A Miller Welder generator is an electric start type like the previous generator, but what is intriguing about this Welder generator is its size. It is compact and might be mobile despite not having tires. With the ability to sustain multiple work processes, this electric-driven welder generator is a must-have if you fancy the power rating and its adequacy for the work you need. This also means that stick, MIG, TIG, and flux cord can be used. For effective communication at your job site, the noise reduction of the Miller Bobcat 250 EFI engine drive welder becomes a huge plus. This welder generator is about 33% less noisy than the average welder generator in its class. Due to the EFI module technology, the generator saves power when you're not welding. However, what it somewhat makes up for in mobility, it lacks power. Hence, the Miller Welder generator is not the most powerful welder generator on this list. The machine features a Kubota diesel fuel engine with its auxiliary power of 9,500 watts, and the amperage ranges between 40 to 250. Nonetheless, it's a decent heavy machine. And since it comes with a GFCI receptacle, it is possible to prevent harmful electric shocks from the generator. From gasoline to diesel to gas-powered welder generators, you have a decent variety to choose from. These generators can be a perfect replacement for your old work buddy or become a new ride or die. Although some of these generators are more powerful than others, they're all heavy-duty ones, capable of at least 3000 W of power. Some of these welder generators are capable of more than just powering wielding tools and give you a bang for your buck. The small size relative to their power makes them suitable for moving around the site. The choice is yours. You should decide mainly based on the amount of power you need and the equipment you'll be using the generator with.